First, apologise. This next video I'm going to show you is a property that we've recently taken on. The client's brought it pre-auction. It's going to be a 4-bed family home. It's currently a 3-bed. Sadly, the lady's passed away in hospital, so it is a probate property. But you never know what is behind closed doors. So let me take you in, and again, apologise. The camera was on portrait. As we all know, cowboy era. YouTube is in landscape. So let's go in, have a look. I'll see you at the end. So this is a property that I've been to that we are going to be renovating to a 3 to a 4 bed. I'm going to show you the exact video, what I send to the builders and the refurbishment team, but also the strip out guys. I'm just showing you here. I'm on the first floor, bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and the bathroom. I'll take you upstairs first. What I'm doing is saying, Luke, look, I'll take you up into the loft. This is what I want to get removed to start off with. So upstairs, I'll say, there's a little bit of rubbish here in the corner he's taken away. There's not a lot in the loft. There's a few cupboards, a few drawers, like this one here. All of this really, basically all the carpet on the floor throughout the house we won't get rid of. So I'll go downstairs, back onto the first floor. There's some boxes at the bottom of the stairs. Get rid of all the carpets again, as I said. All these belongings, including the kids' stuff, I want it back to a clean out house. Take all the doors while you're here as well. Look at this bedroom here. It looks like it's been ransacked. You'll see all the carpets again, all the clothes, all the wardrobe, all the bits and bobs, drawers, belongings. There's a lot of stuff that's been left in here, to be fair. And it's a shame, to be honest with you, because it looks like someone passed away. Well, we know they have, because the client's brought this. We've got the death certificate, and I'm sure no one will be living like this. It looks like someone has been in and trashed looking for belongings, but that's only my assumption. But yeah, same again, all these curtains and bedding, cardboard boxes, double beds. Basically anything you can see. I want to see the floorboards, chairs here, some more bedding. I'll just have a look at the back here. All the dog kennels, all that, all the overgrowth. There's 2 massive sheds. There's one up the top there. There's one on the right as well. All that being taken away, but I'll take you outside in a second to show you that. All the boiler, all the stuff. Get rid of all that. Walking through into the bathroom. Another cupboard there. So there's a lot of stuff left behind. All this, get rid of all the bath panels, all the cladding on the wall, toilet, sink, wall cabinets, shower curtain, rails, blinds, whatever you can see. Take it right back as a full renovation. I'll take you downstairs. You can see even more belongings at the bottom of the stairs here. Hello again. Sorry to butt in halfway through this video. I'm just going to advise you at the very end of this video, I'm going to show you the front of the property. I'm going to show you the floor plan side by side, what it currently is and what I'm going to do. As I said, it's going to be a 3-bed into a 4-bed. I'll show you how we can increase value by going that way. Let's carry on with the video. So remove all that as well. Into what is the front lounge, let's call it. So a lot more wardrobes, cupboards, beds, fireplaces. You'll see another bed on your left here now. So I'm just assuming again the person was ill, was moved downstairs to help them for ease of access, even though the toilet's upstairs. That's what may have happened. Then into the lounge. This is a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, a chair there, cupboards, fireplaces. It's a very yellow room, so 2 more chairs, and outside, desk, pots, plate, pans. I'll show you from the other side. So, as again, walking around, a lot of belongings. It's a bit dark in here, but on that right hand side there's another sofa, some more boxes, some more belongings. Yeah, this room's absolutely full. Cupboards, desks, loads and loads of stuff. There's that sofa. Loads of boxes, it's got plates and pots and pans, stuff under the staircase as well, so you know. So this is trying to assume on costs of skips on the strip out, because there's a lot of stuff here. You can easily fill one skip with a couple of sofas. So going into the kitchen now, what I'd like to do here is get rid of all the carcass on the wall. There's too much anyway, to be fair.
So walking in, looks like they like Elvis, or used to. So yeah, all the caulk, get rid of all of this, can get all redone. That outside wall there to the front left now, what you can see right there, that's single brick. So we've got to either block that up, check the foundations, or we're going to have to do an internal skin with thermal black plasterboard. So let me take you back outside as I showed you upstairs. You can see all old furniture, the dog kennel needs to go. This steps are very wobbly, so stay to the one side. That big shed, all the overgrowth, there's the same shed now as I walk down on this right hand side. There you go. The shed's full of odd tools and bits and bobs and bird cages. It looks like this way, to be fair, this way you can get a bit of an assumption about the owners by going, they've got two big sheds. They may like going outside, doing a bit of pottering. In here they got some fishing gear. Maybe likes fishing. Is that a man or a woman? I don't really know, could be either. But painting, a bit of DIY, so you can get a bit of an assumption from what they used to do. There's a bench there, a workbench, so they may have done some DIY themselves.
Right, so as I promised, this is going to show you exactly what we are going to do. And as I said before, it looks like a normal house, but this little section here, you can see that them bricks aren't really in keeping. Look at the right hand side there, dark colour bricks. You can just see they aren't lined up correctly, they haven't been tied in properly, and there's a window that looks out of skew really. So looking at this, you can see exactly mid-terraced house, but look next door. You've got a doorway, that's called an undercroft or an alleyway. And a lot of time these are used for adjoining back gardens. So normally the person on the left, person on the right, and walk down the alleyway, get into their back garden. But you can see in this instance, that one, it's got a separating wall, it's for that house. Separating wall there was originally for that house. So what they've done many years ago, you can see they've gone and bricked that up, put a window in, they've gone and put a staircase, they've moved the staircase across, because before that was an alleyway, there would have been a flying freehold here at the top, but going straight through there, everything's been moved, and I'll show you exactly how everything's been moved now. So let me make sure this is recording. Yes, there you go. So, looking at this here now, you can literally see, you walk in the front door, as I said before here, that is the alleyway, yeah? So they've shifted the stairs across, yeah? So literally you walk in, walk up the staircase. From the video that you just seen, you would have seen you walked in here, I started on the first floor, you walk in, this is where I said the person must have been brought downstairs when they weren't very well, and there was a bed where it says living room right here. And I've done these floor plan myself on floorplanner.com. Literally look at the link above and I'll put how you use floor planner, because I've done a video on that as well to help you out. So go ahead, look at that as well, but bear in mind, stay on this video, you can always go back and find that on all my other videos. And whilst I'm here, if you haven't already subscribed, do click the link below. I want you to also comment and like, but also ask me any questions you can. I'm here to answer everybody's questions, and if you haven't done a video on it already, I will do a video and I will name drop you as a subscriber. So let's carry on. So this is the original floor plan. Living room, it would have been. You walk through. This is the section on the video where I said there was an outside table here. There was two chairs to the left. There was a yellow chair here, if you remember on the video. There should be patio doors there, not in this, and another sofa here and loads of belongings. This is the long kitchen where I was saying we're going to shorten the kitchen. There's too many carcasses all the way down, all the way round. We'll probably shorten them to halfway. Either put a breakfast bar in, or that can be where you can put a dining table. So the ground floor pretty much staying the same. We're going to clear it out, make it all new, overboard the ceiling, etc. So what else we're going to do? That's the loft. That is the first floor right here. So we got ground, first floor. So you walk up the staircase on the right, you come up here, walk on the landing, a bathroom at the back. So this is where I started the video, on the landing, and it showed you bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. That doorway's in the wrong place. It was just a quick mock-up. That door should be on the other hinge there. As you can see, it's pretty easy to move things around. So bedroom 1, bedroom 2, walk up the staircase, loft. Yeah, pretty simple. So what we're going to do to increase the value, obviously we're going to make it better, we're going to make it more appealing, but we're also going to make it a 4-bedroom house. So I'm guessing you asked me why there's only 4 windows. The windows are already taken. So are we going to make that a bedroom, that a bedroom, that a bedroom, that a bedroom, and put a bathroom downstairs maybe? That could be an option, get rid of the loft. But you might as well utilise what you've already got. So now there you go. So you can see this bathroom has already been ripped out. I'll show you the next videos upcoming. So as I said, do subscribe so you can stay tuned. We're going to take this wall out here. We're going to extend this bedroom across where it says boiler room. Put the boiler room downstairs. So there you go. Can you see the bedroom on this bathroom and boiler room? I've literally extended it. Yeah. That obviously shortens this bedroom here on the left. But they're still nice sized bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. Then this bathroom will be shifted into the middle of the house. So there. So that's now the bedroom. We've put the bathroom into the middle. We have 2 options here. And this is when we were I'm not play about showing the owner. That door's way too big anyway. That's just there for incorporation. This gap here will be either a 1500 or 1600 bath. There will be a shower screen and a mixer shower valve for overhead shower. So 2 options. Either put the door there, perfect. We can shove the original door that was here back, put a turn on the stairs, option 1. And then obviously take down this original stud wall, which was here now, and make it bigger. But the option that we're probably going to go with is leave this wall in here, yeah. So put the door back in there. So this bottom section is a hallway or the landing for the upstairs loft room. Pretty simple. Then this room will be another bedroom. We will shorten this bathroom. So let's just say to the edge of that door there, shorten the bathroom, put the door opening in, and then the secondary door will be here. So you'll have a bed, you walk in there, that'll be an open doorway, there won't be no door there. The bathroom door will be roughly here where the arrow is now the circle yellow. You can walk into where the bathroom writing is. You turn left, there'll be a door roughly here, and that'll be the front bedroom. So just trying to make the most of what we got. So we got the loft room, which is there, number 1. We've got number 2, which is going to be shuffled around, number 3, number 4, and that's how we're going to create the bigger space. So I hope that helps. That's how you can increase. Most people will have like a 1 big bedroom here, so it's a 2-bed house, and they will go and put a stud wall in. That's what's happened here over the years, because that is a stud wall. There's no structural wall there, but they've had to gain a hallway, as you can see, hallway there, to get up into the loft to get that space utilised. So yeah, so thank you very much for tuning in. Do please subscribe, as I keep saying, because I do want to help more people. Comment, share. If there's anything I can do, let me know. Enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you very much.